Good morning, welcome back to another day. As you can see, the workshop's pretty much how it was in the last video. That's nearly done. A few more bits and bobs. This should be leaving today. And Mr. Day is doing some rust repair. He's got to replace this apparently. Definitely that bit. That bit's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, just behind it. There's inner cell, arch, lid, couple patches.
So that's Dai's job for the day. So we'll keep checking in on him. And I have fixed that stall because it was broken. And I'm now making something.
Coffee.
Oh, coffee. Oh, coffee's a very good idea. But I've started making this, which is just to hang all these. They did come in a really annoying box that immediately got thrown in the bin, and very possibly may have ended up in the pit and covered in oil. So that ended up in a thing. But just need to round off these screws here because the little tiny ones just about fit. But very importantly, so we're going to have a coffee. That's the first plan. Then I'm going to do that. I am going to paint it as well. I think it'll look quite cool. Then hang it up, and then at least it will be hung up with all the other bits and bobs. Anyway, we're going to make coffee and enjoy coffee. So I'll see you in a mo. Well, there's that done. Sam had a little bit of lunch. Do's managed to cut a nice hole in the side of this van. So that's now...
Actually looks healthier now, isn't it?
So there's that done. And... need Di to do that. I have finished making the little brackety thing. Then we're going to hang it up by here. So... that's going to go about there-ish. Put a little level on it just to make sure it's looking good. And at least that way they've all got somewhere nice to go. See, doesn't that look much better? All nicely in a place. All to hand, out the way, not in that really annoying carry case that they were in. Quite pleased with that. Nice. Job well did. Right, I need to get on with what I actually need to get on with today. So, for you, see you in a sec. I'm going to go get myself ready. Well, there we go. All sorted, all tidied up. And I'm going to crack on with what I need to do. I am also leaving a camera right there, so you can watch Di do the welding. Because I'm always liking watching this.
In t-shirt.
There you go. Filming you, filming me. So yeah, Di's going to do this. You're going to watch him. And we're going to go do what I came here for. Which I'm not looking forward to. Because it's boiling. As you know, this is mine. I've still got a bunch of stuff in here. Dash still needs to go in, bumper, etc, etc. But, as you can see, there's no real interior in here. That's because it's all on the back of here. This is Jonathan and I's work van, and I have currently taken over it with the whole of my interior, including cushions and a box of stuff I don't actually know what that's in there for. This lot needs to come out of here and go in there. Now, I don't think I'm going to make it all fit in here, but I'm definitely going to take this out because I don't like it at all. Hopefully the wood paneling is low enough that where my seats go up to, because I was going to have to buy some more of that. I'm going to take this lot out, obviously take this out as well, and I'm going to replace the interior that was in my red van, it's now in that van, into this van. Yeah, that means they can have their van back, and at least all my van is in a van. I have got a little bit of an ask. You know I don't ask you for stuff, and I wouldn't ask you to do anything that's too sort of in-depth. All I'm going to ask is, can you please share this video? Now, I'm not actually asking you to share the video. If you just go to the share function in the bottom of the video somewhere, it will say share, and then it will say copy URL. If you click that, you should get a little pop-up to say URL copy to clipboard or whatever. Depends on what platform you're watching me on. And then do nothing with it, just leave it. It will literally just copy a link, and then YouTube will see that, and because they see that my videos getting shared a lot, then they'll push me to more people, and then the more people that can see my videos, the bigger the channel will get. The bigger the channel can get, the more fun stuff we can do. So if you could do that, please, I would be very thankful. I'm not asking you to actually share it anywhere, just literally press that copy URL, I think it is. If I remember, I will put it on the screen, and then that's it. I would be very, very thankful. Thank you very much. Anyway, I'm going to start stripping this lot out and starting to get my new interior in, I reckon. Anyway, stop babbling on. I need to get this lot empty so I can get my interior back in. So stop babbling, start working. Well, that's nice and empty. It's also massive. Unreal. Right, I need to get all this lot. As you can see, I have left a bunch of stuff here because that's not going to get in the way. I need to get this bit off because this has got wires in. I don't know what that's about. Probably get the whole of this lot out. Doesn't even feel like it's on. All these cabinets need to come out, and then we can look at getting the new one in. Or my original interior anyway. So I'm going to put the camera down and fight this. Pick this back up once it's out, I guess. Well, it's been a good hour and I am boiling. I've had to stop twice because I'm just overheating, but the cabinets are now out. What a mess. The floor's made up of two different bits of floor. It's glued, expanding foam. We've also got the date, the 20th of the 3rd, 2021. So I'm going to have to try and figure something out. Well, I'm going to have to get all this glue off, obviously. It's got some nice insulation under here, though. I'm not too bothered about the floor, because obviously my stuff's going to be covering all of this lot. The main bulk of the floor is actually quite good. Oh, anything I've shown you guys, yeah? I've got a blue bumper. I had that metal one on here before. Someone messaged me and said they wanted to buy it. Really sorry, I've forgotten who it was, but he bought that. And then we had Jonathan and I had a blue van in that I wanted to scrap, and I had a good rear bumper and rear crash panel. So I've now got a blue bumper. Forgot I didn't show you that. So I've got a blue bumper. I've got a black front bumper. Yeah. I'm going to carry on taking more apart. It's way too hot for doing this. Luckily enough, I'm under shade. Kind of. Anyway, stop rambling. You can go back to see what Di's doing, and I'm going to carry on doing what I'm doing. Oh. Well, I haven't picked his camera up in a while, but you'll see why in a minute, because I've been a busy boy. Turn that off. John has also been a busy boy. This is now pretty much back together again.
Ish. Get in there.
And I have been a busy boy. But I have an interior. I mean, it's not going to stay looking like this. I've got to put all the rest of that stuff back in here. But I've now got my interior. Hopefully it's not too dark, but if you pop over onto my Instagram, you'll see that there's actually a picture of me chilling out in here. And it's proper cool. Oh, I remember this. This feels lovely. Proper. John was in here earlier and he was like, wow, this is comfy. This is nice. So I have had a bit of a change of heart of what I want to do with the interior. I'm no longer having that big cabinet that used to go there, or that one that used to go there. I'm going to sort of build something else for this. But I am definitely a lot further forward than I was. I'm loving this. May not sound like it, I am tired. Today the heat is proper took it out of me. It's proper nice to be in here again with the interior. It goes really well. I don't know how well we're going to see this on camera because it is quite dark in here. But this looks awesome. I'm so pleased. I've now got to find a home for, well, my dash. Ignore the fact it's on a bin. My dash. A few other bits and bobs that I do need to keep. Obviously I've got that pile of stuff over there that needs to be kept. Anyway, I'm going to get gone. I've got a bit more tidying to do and I need to get that done. It's not really a lot more to show you. John's just finishing off some wiring.
Yeah.
Di's looking at his steering wheel.
Yeah.
Di T4. Anyway, stop rambling. I'm going to get gone. Thank you very much for watching as always. Thank you very much for putting up with him, and me. And as always, take it easy.